Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by getting the essentials ready. Update your switch, check your mobile plan, and enable the phone's hotspot with a clear SSID and password. Once done, open Switch System Settings, go to Internet, then Internet Settings to scan for networks. Select the hotspot SSID you just created, enter the password exactly, and confirm. This first actionable step connects the console to your phone. It's quick, so take care with capitalization and symbols in the password to avoid connection errors. Once connected, optimize the middle steps. Pick the proper band, 2.4 GHz for stability or 5 GHz for lower latency, because distance and interference matter. If the switch fails network tests, set DNS manually in the console. Public servers like 1, 1, 1, 1 or 8, 8, 8, 8 often help. Make sure your phone won't sleep or kill background tethering, keep the hotspot visible, and check the switch's NAT type. A restrictive NAT can affect online play, so adjust phone AP settings or use a different tethering mode if needed. To finish, run the switch connection test, sign into your Nintendo account, and open the online feature you want to use. Confirm stable ping and download rates. Make sure to monitor mobile data usage and close background apps on your phone to keep bandwidth steady. If things go wrong, try one key troubleshooting tip. Restart both the phone and switch, then recreate the hotspot with a simple SSID and password. This often clears authentication conflicts and hidden compatibility issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.